Instagram marketing about the tutorial. This tutorial has been designed to bring out the importance of this social media platform. Instagram can be used as a successful digital marketing tool for brand promotion. This tutorial provides details on how to effectively use this medium to make and share your stories digitally and reach the desired audience, resulting in higher sales and better user engagement. Audience: this tutorial is for those who wish to strengthen their social presence in the market through the use of Instagram, which is one of the fastest growing social media platforms. Prerequisites: the readers of this tutorial are expected to have a basic understanding of digital marketing and good communication skills. We assume that you have the creative skills required to help you stand out in the field of digital marketing. Disclaimer and copyright 2018 by Tutorials.I, Private Ltd. All the content and graphics published in this ebook are the property of Tutorials.I, Private Ltd. The user of this ebook is prohibited to reuse, retain, copy, distribute or republish any contents or a part of contents of this ebook in any manner without written consent of the publisher. We strive to update the contents of our website and tutorials as timely and as precisely as possible. However, the contents may contain inaccuracies or errors. Tutorials.I, Private Limited provides no guarantee regarding the accuracy, timeliness, or completeness of our website or its contents, including this tutorial. If you discover any errors on our website or in this tutorial, please notify us at contact@tutorialspoint.com. I Instagram marketing table of contents about the tutorial. I audience. I prerequisites. I disclaimer and copyright. I table of contents. 2.1. Instagram overview. 1. What is Instagram? 1. Basics of Instagram. 2. Advantages of using Instagram. 2. Instagram, business strategy. 4. Ideas to flip up Instagram. 5. Eyeing your competitors. 5. Schedule Instagram posts. 6. Paid Instagram campaigns. 7.3. Instagram, installation and sign up. 9. Navigating through Instagram. 9. Instagram terms. 10. Optimizing Instagram profile. 11.4. Instagram, posting and engaging. 13. Post photos and videos. 13. Foster engagement. 14. Interact with the community. 15. To Instagram marketing. 5. Instagram, activity review. 16.6. Instagram, fine-tuning content. 18. Linking social platforms. 18. Adding filters. 19. Utilizing hashtags. 20. Monitoring location tags. 21. Reposting. 21.7. Instagram, marketing tools and apps. 23. Apps to assist Instagram posts. 24.8. Instagram, integrate with other platforms. 26. Embedding pictures on website. 26. Create and embed badges. 27. Learning widgets. 28. Instagram with Facebook. 29.9. Instagram, analytics tools. 30. Tracking and analysis tools. 30. Calculating success. 33. Instagram marketing. 1. Instagram overview. Instagram is one of the fastest growing social platforms and it has gained immense popularity over the years. It has become one of the most essential social networks amongst people, and continues to develop in popularity with over 400+ million dynamic users a month. It's no wonder then that businesses of all shapes and sizes are seizing the opportunity to use Instagram as one of their main marketing channels for brand awareness. If used properly, Instagram can be a great marketing tool for all sorts of businesses, whether you are selling a product or a service. What is Instagram? Instagram is an online photo-sharing social web service that lets you share your life and experiences with friends and others through a series of pictures captured with a mobile device or any other camera. Instagram also supports video uploads and lets the users instantly share photos on several social sites. Instagram was founded by Kevin Systrom and Mike Krieger in October 2010. Its success caught the eye of the most valuable social network in the world. In April 2012, Facebook acquired Instagram for $300 million in cash and 23 million shares of stock, a total purchase value of nearly $1 billion. Instagram's social intrigue was not simply to influence the existing social networks for sharing, but to build its own, supplemental network. This was a vital choice. The value of a network is fundamentally in its connections. Through Instagram you can not only connect and share with your friends, but you can also increase your professional network. Instagram can be used as a marketing strategy to market your brand. 1. Instagram Marketing Basics of Instagram. Instagram is available for free on iOS, Android, and Windows Phone devices. Instagram can also be accessed on the web from a computer, but the users can only upload and share photos or videos from their devices. Users can post pictures and videos using their smartphones, apply diverse manipulation tools, 16 filters, in order to change the appearance of an image, and share them directly on various platforms in addition to the user's Instagram page. Instagram also permits the users to add some captions, hashtags using the hashtag symbol to describe the pictures and videos, and tag or mention other users by using the @ symbol before posting them. In addition to photograph capturing and other functions, Instagram also provides a similar platform for social connectivity as other social networking sites. Users of Instagram can follow any number of other users. However, in Instagram, the users following another Instagram user are called as followers. Instagram's social network is asymmetric, implying that if a user X follows Y, then Y need not follow X. Also, users can choose their privacy settings according to their own preferences such that their posted photos and videos are available only to the user's followers that need approval from the user to be his/her follower. By default, their images and videos are public, which implies that they are visible to anyone using Instagram app or Instagram website. The users can consume photos and videos, mostly by viewing a core page showing a stream of the latest photos and videos from all their friends, listed in a reverse chronological order. They can also like or comment on these posts. Such actions will appear in referenced users' updates page so that the user can keep track of likes and comments about their posts. Therefore, Instagram can likewise be regarded as a social awareness tool similar to other social media platforms such as Facebook and Twitter. Advantages of using Instagram. Some of the advantages of using Instagram that adds to business opportunities are discussed below. You can invite more users to window shop with this social media app. You can provide window shopping experience for your followers, giving them an essence of your products and services. Share relevant and valuable information in the caption, like location details, sales, and something else to get the interest of your followers. Ensure you explain all relevant product information, in case your followers wish to purchase the product you feature in the photo. 2. Instagram marketing. You can promote your brand. 1 can use Instagram to post marvelous photographs about your firm's services and products. On the other hand, maintain a strategic distance from any sort of exhausting, content-heavy images, or any other infographics. Take and post pictures of you and your workers at work or at any company event. Utilize the captions to share correlated and interesting information about the workers and what's happening in the picture. When you attend a special event, begin work on a new project, or do anything energizing and photo-worthy, ensure you capture the event. Knowing what is going on in your world keeps your organization on the mind of your customers. Integrating Instagram into your social media marketing campaign can be a great tool to promote your business while being imaginative at the same time. You can attract fans and boost sales. Instagram can be a staggering way to draw in more followers to your organization by promoting coupon codes and selective discounts. You can do this with any of your services and items. Creating exclusivity and favored status for particular audiences is a proven technique for driving engagement. 3. Instagram marketing. 2. Instagram business strategy. Instagram being a part of your business strategy can go a long way for successful business outcomes. Following are some of the points to remember. Engage your customers. Utilize the @mention to promote the follower of the day on Instagram, and you will connect with a considerable measure of potential clients immediately. This will advance your customers, which will urge them to work with you significantly further. The @mention is used to tag any client in comments inside Instagram, and you can employ it to generate the growth of your audience over time. This method can develop a relevant and engaged audience of high value to your brand or business. You can also use hashtags, hashtag, as a method of growing your audience. Build content. Instagram is a predominantly visual type of online networking, and a perfect stage for flaunting items through video or pictures. While building a strategy, you will have to figure out which strategy will work best for the service or products that you are promoting. Video is frequently the most ideal approach to publicize viable products. For example, tools, as you can exhibit the utilization of the item. For products such as garments, pictures are more appropriate. Always hashtag. Using hashtags on Instagram is basic for your business. Hashtags enable users to discover content or brands which they would like to follow. Once a user has been directed to your profile by means of their search, you can then lead them to your website. Instagram allows a maximum of 30 hashtags to be included in a post or comment. However, ensure that you do not overuse them. Connect to other forms of social media. Sharing your Instagram content with your other social media accounts will surely save your time and will help to increase your leads. Connect your Instagram profile to a variety of other social media platforms such as Twitter, Tumblr, Facebook, Flickr, and Foursquare. For example, if you have a Facebook business page, you can arrange it so that all your Instagram posts and photos appear on your Facebook business page as well. For Instagram marketing, use sponsored ads and posts. The use of Instagram's sponsored posts and advertisements have finally spread worldwide and are proving very popular. Instagram advertising is still in the early stages of availability. Ads are available in 30-second video format, as images, and in carousel format too. These adverts are an ideal way to direct consumers to your website or to tell the story of your brand in a better way. Post. According to an editorial calendar, Instagram was designed as an app to create content via a mobile device. As a result, it is only practical to use one of the various scheduling tools available, so that you can post systematically. By the help of using an editorial calendar, you are able to schedule regular posts in advance, to keep your followers engaged. It is also a useful method to use when you are promoting something, or attending an event. By doing so, you will never forget to send out content, and that content can be scheduled to be released when you are, because of some reasons, not available to do it manually. Partner with Instagram influencers. Presently, Instagram has over 40,000 influencers using their platform, and they cover a variety of topics and businesses. They are viewed as the big names of Instagram, and by adjusting your image to the right influencers, you can extend your image awareness and number of followers. Your influencer simply needs to incorporate the handle of your brand in one of their Instagram posts. Ideas to flip up Instagram. The best way to make your post viral is to make it worthy. Following are a few pointers. Mind positive things about your products and services. Highlight them in your posts. Add inspirational quotes to compel people to read your post. Add appealing images or videos. Visuals speak more than 1,000 words. Lay a call to action for a definite purpose. Compel users to generate content for you by engaging them in your post. Repost fan-created content on your Instagram account. Eyeing your competitors. A standout amongst the most essential perspectives to maintaining a fruitful business is looking at your opposition and staying up with the latest developments. The same goes for Instagram. It's critical to investigate your competitors' Instagram profiles. This will 5 Instagram marketing give you a few ideas for substance that you can post to Instagram also. Some of the aspects which one should consider are: how do competitors position themselves? Discover how your rivals position themselves on online networking. You can simply visit each of your competitors' profiles for inspiration. These bios give you an idea of how you can position yourself on Instagram in order to be attractive to your target audience. How often do competitors post? In case you're thinking about how active you ought to be on Instagram, consult competitive research. Obviously, this isn't all you have to know with regards to social activity. You ought to likewise take a look at the engagement your competitor gets on Instagram. Analyze the number of posts and engagement to see where competitors post and receive the most, or least, audience response. What do competitors post? Get inspiration for the type of posts you ought to publish on Instagram by analyzing the competitors' top content specific to that platform. This analysis can help you figure out whether you should post photos or videos, when you should post them, and the type of captions you should include with the posts for best engagement opportunities. Using these posts as inspiration, you can come up with interesting ideas for your business that will fit well on Instagram. What do people say about competitors? Comprehending what individuals say about your competitors can give you a vibe for the kind of engagement you will get through Instagram. For instance, do individuals ask sales questions and support questions to your competitors? Do people talk positively or negatively about the industry? You may even have get to recognize some ways you can tailor your products and services to fill in the ranges your rivals' products and services miss. Generally speaking, it ought to set you up for the kind of discussions you may keep running into for your business on social media and give ideas on how to handle them. Schedule Instagram posts. It is very important to schedule Instagram posts. One can do this with the help of the following tools: Schedule post now or schedule for some other time. 6. Instagram marketing. You can deal with multiple Instagram accounts through one easy web-based interface. Multiple users. Let multiple users sign into your Schedule account, schedule posts for your accounts, and see who has scheduled what. Later collaborate with your group. Manage various Instagram accounts. Search, explore, and discover user-generated content to repost from the web. Hootsuite schedule and publish Instagram content. Monitor and engage with Instagram audiences. Securely share access to Instagram accounts across groups. Create group workflows, including assignments and endorsement for Instagram. Paid Instagram campaigns. It's vital to note that Instagram is trying different things with paid advertising opportunities. The program is generally new, and at this moment it's held for huge brands. 7. Instagram marketing that as of now have a presence on Instagram. It is unquestionably something to watch out for, on the grounds that they have more than 300 million users. Advertising on Instagram permits you to get your photographs, your captions, and your messages out to the users that follow you, as well as to the whole community of Instagram users. If we scroll down the Instagram website at business.instagram.com/advertising, on the page there are some resources that you can consider. You can take a look at an inspiring gallery that shows you how organizations are truly making use and being imaginative on Instagram. You can also take a look at some of the statistics and results for those organizations that have been able to advertise on Instagram. And those results show an expanded awareness and a high rate of advertisement review. There are also some case studies available on the website that demonstrate how brand recognition has expanded for those organizations using paid advertisements on Instagram. Again, this open door isn't accessible for everyone at this moment, yet it's unquestionably something to watch out for. If you advertise on Facebook, once this opens up for everyone, you're likely going to want to advertise on Instagram too. 8. Instagram marketing. End of ebook preview. If you liked what you saw, buy it from our store at